Are you looking for a quadcopter drone with camera? In this video, I will show you the 5 best quadcopter drone with camera based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the DJI Mini 2 Fly More Combo. At less than 249 g, it weighs about as much as an apple and fits in the palm of your hand. With a max battery life of 31 minutes, DJI Mini 2 grants more than enough time to compose the perfect shot. Mini 2 can resist level 5 winds and take off at a max altitude of 4,000 meters, so your footage is stable even when flying along a windy coastline or high above an alpine forest. A 12MP camera in the sky delivers content guaranteed to impress. Along with 4K/30fps video and a 3-axis motorized gimbal, Mini 2 ensures stunning image quality that is consistently smooth no matter how adventurous your piloting gets. Built-in OcuSync 2.0 allows DJI Mini 2 to adjust automatically between 2 frequencies, which extends Mini 2's max transmission distance to 10 km for even more flexibility. The 4th product on the list is the RiseTech Taiyo. Equipped with a high-quality image processor, Taiyo shoots incredible photos and videos. Even if you don't know how to fly, you can record coordinated short videos with circle, 360, and up and away and share them on social media from your smartphone. Flying Taiyo couldn't be easier. Just pull out your phone to fly anytime or anywhere with intuitive controls. See the world from the sky. Whether you're at a park, in the office, or hanging out at home, you can always take off and experience the world from exciting new perspectives. Taiyo has 2 antennas that make video transmission extra stable, and a high-capacity battery that offers impressively long flight times. Fantastic features for endless enjoyment, thanks to all the tech that Taiyo's packing. Like a flight controller powered by DJI, you can perform awesome and complex tricks with just a tap on the screen. The 3rd product on the list is the DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo. Mavic Air 2 takes power and portability to the next level, offering advanced features in a compact form factor. Intelligent shooting functions and excellent image quality put aerial masterpieces within reach. Safer, smarter flight enables you to up your game while fully enjoying the creative process. Stay in the air long enough to get the perfect capture with an impressive battery life of up to 34 minutes and pull off epic, fast-paced shots with a max flight speed of 42.3 miles per hour in sport mode. Mavic Air 2 perceives its environment in 3 directions: forward, backward, and downward. An auxiliary light improves visibility, and the extra layer of security that obstacle avoidance provides is ideal for pushing the limits of what is possible. The 2nd product on the list is the Robotics EVO2 Pro Drone. From inspecting electrical cell towers to surveying property lines, the EVO2 was designed to provide enough flight time to capture all the data needed. Lightweight foldable design, deployed in under 30 seconds, the 2.5 pounds EVO2 is ideal for rapid deploying missions with a minimal footprint both in the air and for seamless transport. Designed for versatile operations, pilots can alternate between the 8K, 6K, and dual thermal/8K payload options. The 1st product on the list is the DJI Inspire 2 Quadcopter. The Inspire 1 was a revelation. The first filmmaking drone in the world to integrate an HD video transmission system, 360-degree rotating gimbal, and a 4K camera, as well as the simplicity of app control. The launches of the Zen Muse X5 and X5 R cameras further cemented the Inspire as a critical tool for filmmakers around the globe. The Inspire 2 takes everything that was good about Inspire 1 and improves it. An all-new image processing system records up to 5.2K in Cinema DNG RAW, Apple ProRes, and more. It goes from 0 to 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour, in just 5 seconds and hits a maximum speed of 58 miles per hour, 94 kilometers per hour, and has a max descent speed of 9 mph for unheard of speed and agility in an aircraft this size. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.